In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clock in with Homebase. Whether you're just starting with Homebase or looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through clocking in and out with ease. First, you'll need to sign into your Homebase account. This can be done quite simply via your web browser. Just head over to app.joinhomebase.com and use your login credentials to access your account. It's crucial that you have these details on hand so you can get started without any hiccups. Once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate over to the time clock section. This feature might sometimes be labeled as time tracking or found nestled within your dashboard menu, but rest assured, it's easy to locate. The time clock is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that tracking your work hours is a straightforward process. In the time clock section, you should encounter a clock in button. This is your key to officially begin your shift. With just a simple click, you can start tracking your working hours. One convenient aspect of Homebase is that it caters to different workspace setups. So, whether you're managing your own personal employee time or using a shared device with coworkers, the process remains the same and hassle-free. As your workday comes to a close, you'll need to clock out to mark the end of your shift, much like you did at the beginning. You will find a Clock Out button right within that same time clock section. Clicking this button will stop the time tracking and ensure your hours are accurately recorded. It's important to remember these steps whether you're logging in from a personal device or a shared one in the workplace, as accurate time tracking is essential for both you and your team. While the Homebase system itself is relatively intuitive, ensuring you're punctual and attentive when clocking in and out can help avoid discrepancies in your logged time. Additionally, if you encounter any issues, most companies using Homebase have an administrator you can contact for support. Of course, it's a good idea to keep that person's contact information handy, just in case you need a quick bit of help. I hope these insights will make your experience with Homebase an easy and smooth one. Utilizing this platform effectively can save you time and energy, helping you focus more on the job at hand. Thank you for tuning in today, and remember, tracking your hours accurately is key to managing your work-life balance efficiently. See you in the next video.